Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the image in Photos. Select it now, then tap Share and either copy photo or share directly to the Google app if you have it. Once done, open the Google app and tap the Lens icon. Lens reads the image immediately. If you don't have Google installed, open Safari, go to Images. Google. Com and request desktop site. This gives you the camera/upload icon to start. Make sure location and permissions are allowed so the app can act. Now feed the image to Google Lens or the Upload tool. In the Google app, choose Lens, then Photos, and pick the file. Lens will analyze colors, objects, and text. On Safari's desktop Google Images, tap the camera icon, choose Upload an image, and select from Photos or Files. The site will process the file like a desktop. If you want a focus search, crop or tap the area of interest so results match the subject rather than the whole scene. Finally, inspect the search results. Look at visually similar images, the source pages, and any identified objects or text. Tap a result to open the page and confirm origin or higher resolution copies. If you didn't get useful matches, try again with a clearer photo, crop tighter to the subject, or remove filters and overlays. Those commonly block matches. If uploads fail, check permissions for photos, enable desktop mode in Safari, or update the Google app, then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.